first I'm going to go on with my primer, and I'm going to be using the Flawless Face Foundation Primer from Absolute New York. For foundation, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Vitalist. So I'm just going to draw the foundation on my face. I feel like I have a whole lot more better coverage when I draw it on my face. I like to put it on my brush like this and then apply it. I did this yesterday for the first time because usually I just, you know, use a round brush, but I was just like, let me do it this way, and the way it came out yesterday was just like super fucking sexy. Then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and just blend the whole bottom out. And I'm just going to put some up here right on the edge. Ah! Ugh. Got you covered concealer.
My finishing powder is in the living room.
This is kind of like a dual palette. It's all dirty and whatnot. I picked this up from CVS, and this is the Maybelline Total Temptation palette. It has two different makeup looks. So you have one highlighter here, and then you have all 4 eyeshadows here, and then you have one highlighter here and all 4 eyeshadows that go to that highlight. In the back, which is very important and a big step for beginners like myself, you have look 1 and you have look 2. But as you can see, they have the highlighter, and they actually show the numbers as how you're supposed to use the highlighters. So if you don't know what color is your transition, what color is your crease color, this is very helpful because it tells you 1 through 4 what step is for what. So being that 1 is the first step, 4 is the last step, so you're basically going by the colors. So I think I'm going to go in and do this makeup look on this side as opposed to this one. I think I'm going to save a red lip for this one. I used this makeup look, but I didn't use this right here. I just used the this color over here for yesterday. So I'm gonna just go in with this, and I'm just gonna see how it turns out. I'm gonna go into this color right here. I'm gonna go into, oops, upside down. I'm gonna go into this color right here. For my crease area, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm gonna go into this pinkish right here. into this color right here, this sparkly color, and I'm going to put that in the corners of my eye and my brow bone. Go in with my e.l.f. contour palette, and I use this as my mirror too. My beauty blender, and I'm just going to create that line underneath.
Lashes, lashes, lashes. Lashes, lashes, lashes.
Lips, I'm going to be going in with my Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and this is just in the number 5402, and this is my ProFusion lip liner that I picked up. For highlighter, I'm going to be going back in with my Total Temptation palette. This highlighter right here. Finish this look off with my MAC Fix Plus. Water. And that is it for this look. I really hope that you enjoyed me filming this look. And this is pretty much it for my everyday makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be making another video for you.